Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can enable your Viber Pay or your Viber wallet feature. So let's get started. Now first off, you would of course need to have the Viber app installed, and once you install it, just go ahead and tap on it to open it. After that, you will be on your chats page in your Viber app, so just go ahead and tap on the Pay option right here. Now, once you're on the Viber Pay screen, you would first need to verify your identity to enable the feature. So just go ahead and tap on Verify Your Identity at the top of the screen. So right here, you would need to select your location. So just go ahead and tap on this default country. And here you have the list of countries in which Viber Pay is available in. So I will leave it at Croatia because that's the country that I'm based in. After selecting the country, you would just need to accept the terms and agreements by just tapping this right here, this check mark, and then go ahead and tap on Continue. Next up, you would need to input some information about you, that being your first name, your last name, and your date of birth, and also the email. So let's go ahead and quickly do this. There we go. Now, once you filled in all the required fields, you can just go ahead and tap on Continue right here. And lastly, you would just need to create a PIN. So let's do this. Then you would need to confirm that PIN so you have it correctly. And if your phone has a biometric function, you will get this notification right here. So Viber offers you to set your fingerprint instead of your PIN. So if you want this, you can enable it. And if you don't want, you can just click cancel. So I will click cancel for the time being. And after that quick check, you would lastly need to verify your ID. So this is just a standard KYC verification, know your customer. So you would need to take a picture of your ID and then a selfie, so those two can be cross-referenced. So just go ahead and tap on verify ID. Then just quickly check if this is correct right here, and then tap on continue. Then you would need to select a source of funds, so the way that you get your money. Then your occupation, so your job, then your occupation position, so the position on that job, then the employment status, so are you employed or unemployed, and lastly, the type of incoming funds. So this is domestic, cross-border, and so on. So let's go ahead and quickly fill all this up. And there we go. Now just tap Go to Final Step right here. So this is the step where you would need to take a picture of your ID. So these are the accepted documents: a passport, EU ID card, or an EU residency card. Now just tap on Let's Start. Then you will be redirected to the KYC providers page. So here just go ahead and tap on Continue, and then Start Identity Scan. So identity verification has two steps. First, you would need to take a picture of your ID and then a selfie. So just get your ID ready and then tap on Start Auto Capture. And there we go. Now the identity verification is finished and Viber is checking your details to make sure that everything matches. Now lastly, just go ahead and tap on Continue. And there we go. So our Viber wallet is now ready to use and we can start using Viber. So you can also add money by just tapping on Add Money, but we'll cover that in the next tutorial. So essentially, that's guys how you can open and set up your Viber wallet completely from start to finish. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.